And welcome to my channel. Welcome to Keep Trader, where we discuss and analyze the market. Okay, so apologies that I have not posted for quite some time now, for about a week or 2 weeks. Apologies. Honestly, that was because I was having some fucked up psychological problems, and by that, it's because I was taking serious losses. Yes, not every trader will come and tell you and be honest with you. They always want to show you the greens and they won't show you the losses. So I was having serious series of losses. I mean serious series of losses, and it was really affecting me psychologically. So I had to step back and know where the problem is. And it's not like when I made losses, it's not like I was making losses back to back. It's more of I could make more. I will make an analysis, take a trade, the market to go few, then it will now reverse back, or I could make some money, then take loss that was even more. So anyway, that's on that. So I'm back now, and as we do it, we start analyzing step index, and I'll also be analyzing another market I saw that I think I'm paying attention to also, which is volatility 50. But let's start with step index. Okay, so starting from the monthly, as you can see, we are in a downtrend. For those who do not know, we're in a downtrend. This is it. We are going down. Okay, high, lower lows, lower highs. Okay, so we're currently here. We are at this area. Okay, we are currently at this area. So we should be expecting bearish, but anyway, that is on the monthly. We don't take trades on the higher time frame. And yeah, if you've not subscribed, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, Cube Trader. Kindly subscribe and drop analysis there. So let's head back. So on the monthly, it is bearish. Then we go to the weekly. What is the weekly telling us? The weekly is bullish. Okay, some of you might be thinking it is bearish, but trust me, it's bullish. And how is it bullish? How is it bullish? Let me show you. So as you can see, we went lower low, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low. Okay, lower high, then higher low, higher highs, higher low, equal lows, then this. Now we're here. So if you see, we broke above this area. Okay, we broke above that area, and now we're coming here. All right, we're coming here, and we're also coming towards this area also. Okay, so well, on the weekly, we are very much bullish on the weekly. Okay, so, and if you look at it, you see that this is, if you look back, if I try to zoom out, you see we are currently in an area in a resistance area. That's where we currently are, at the resistance area on the weekly. But anyway, that's on that. Let's go to the daily. So what's going on the daily? So as you can see, I believe it's crystal clear that we are in a bullish trend. I mean, you don't need, even a 5-year-old will tell you that we're in a bullish trend. All right, so what will I do first? I would go to the weekly. I'll go and mark out my support and resistance area. Okay, come here. Yeah, I would mark here first. Okay, I would mark here. Why? Because this is an area swing area. Okay, yeah, this is a pullback, then flushed all the way through. So I'll do that. Okay, so I would bring this here because this is the weekly low. So now that we have that, all right, now we have that, I'll be heading to the daily, and I'll plot my trend lines. And yes, I still stand by what I said. I'm not a fan of trend lines. I still stand on that. I'm not a fan of trend lines in any way, but yeah, it's quite subjective. So when an uptrend, let me see if there's, okay, so this is a daily resistance over here. This is a daily resistance over here. We haven't gotten there. We are shy from it. All right, that's daily resistance. So okay, oh, you know what, let me do this instead. I'll make here the daily. This is going to be the daily. You want to know why? Because I'm dealing with immediate price action. Okay, immediate price action, that's what we are dealing with. All right, so because where we're coming from is the weekly, so we are treating the daily now. All right, if we go back, if we go down, I'm pretty sure we'll still see. So okay, so let's, I like my charts being neat. So yeah, pardon me, I love seeing my chart neat, so it helps me, it helps my analysis. Okay, so tiptoe, good. So we're in a range, or should I say we're in a quasi daily range, but it is more pronounced on the 4 hour. All right, it is more pronounced on the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, you can see that we're in a range. All right, for my people who do SMC, yeah, this would be your, most likely be your, what they call it, your order block. Yes, that will most likely be the order block. Okay, so let me bring this here. Okay, the smart money concepts. All right, so this will be the order block, and if you see, price came in, tapped it, and came in and tapped it out. Okay, so yeah, so I'm more of a price action, but I'm learning SMC. Okay, so yeah, pardon me. All right, so this is 4 hour. Okay, we've established something. We're in a range. We are currently in a range. Okay, now let's jump to the 1 hour. So what is 1 hour saying? We are also bullish. We are bullish on the 1 hour, and you can easily spot it. Why? Price came in here from the order block. You can see the massive pull, higher high, higher high, higher low, equal highs, higher low, then treated this higher high that came here also, which from SMC we say came to clear all this liquidity, because here was massive resistance. Okay, let me zoom in so you get to see. So as you can see, this here was massive resistance that had lots of liquidity sitting there. So there's now you can see price is currently there. Price is currently at that area. So for people who love to trade range, who knows, price could bounce and break because we're in a bullish trend, or price could come and come down depending. All right, so we are not price, we are just following, we are reacting to what price tells us. All right, let me bring this here. So I like to put my trend lines on the wicks, because, and why the wicks are not the bodies is because I believe that price got to that area for a reason. Price do not randomly move, it moves to areas for a reason. Even if it says it wants to do a fake out, it gets to a point for a reason. It doesn't just move in randoms. So that's why I'll put my trend line there, okay, at the tip. So now, where are we? As you can see, once again, let me put the 1 hour support. Okay, so as you can see, this is where we are. And let me go down to the 5 minutes. So what is 5 minutes doing? Now on the 5 minutes, we are currently resting pretty and testing this support level. Okay, this resistance term support. You can see resistance pushed up, now support. As you can see, it's sitting pretty over there. So what will I be looking out for? What will I be looking out for? Knowing full well that this is price movement. All right, knowing full well this is price movement, I'll wait for price to do either this or do this. Okay, that's what I'll be waiting for. I want price to break out of either of the areas, and if it does that, that's what I'll be following. But I personally would favor a break and retest to the upside, because of that's the initial trend of the market. So let's go. You see, weekly Weekly is bullish. Okay, daily, well, without a doubt, even seen by a blind person, is bullish. And you can see, you can also classify this as a fake out, because if you see, price came, tested, faked out, broken, retested again on the trend line, and went up. So there's a very likelihood I will refer to this as a fake out. All right, which came to take out liquidity. All right, and liquidity. Okay, so that is on that. And so 4 hour is currently ranging. As far as I'm concerned, 4 hours is currently ranging. Okay, I would have also said, okay, here is a good support area, but for the fact that price came in to take it out and came into this other block here, okay, I'm moved. That will tell you that's fine. That was a fake out to clear liquidity and liquidity out. So on the 1 hour, let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, obviously it's bullish. Price broke above these areas. Okay, price broke above. So we should not forget that. So 15 minutes, well, we are seeing this still bullish. We are currently testing the support area. Then 5 minutes, like I said, this is where I'll be looking to take my entry. All right, comes a bounce, I could take it down all the way. Okay, could take it all the way from here, bounce all the way to here. Okay, that would be a good one. So that's on step index. All right, so the next market I'll be analyzing is volatility. Okay, 50. Let me start. Let me clear everything. So let me clear everything so that you get to see. Okay, so in its raw form, let's analyze this together. If you look at the monthly, you can see that markets came all the way down. All right, markets came all the way down, bullish, came all the way, boom, 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 pow, 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 making signal of higher low. Okay, came, pow, closing above, created a double bottom, now down again. All right, so I would say this market is ranging. All right, the market is ranging. So I would say the market is ranging on a monthly time frame. So let's head to the weekly. So what are we seeing on the weekly? Now on the weekly, what I'm seeing is bearish. Yes, because price came up, higher low, higher low, lower high, came here, created higher high, higher low, higher high, because I closed. Then what did it do? It tanked, clearing this and this. Okay, cleared all those. So now I'm looking more forward to bearish. I've said the market is going bearish. So now that we know that is bearish, we take our tool to mark out our supports. Okay, so do note that I mark my support and resistance within weekly and daily. Mark them within weekly and daily. All right, depending on the market situation. Okay, trying to accommodate that. Okay, so all right. Oh shit, sorry. Okay. All right, accommodated. All right, so you might be saying, what about here? We have this too, right? Well, price has not gotten here. Okay, so we have that, but I wouldn't want to mark it there. I would rather put it here because there was more price reactions at that area. If I'm going to put anything, if I'm going to, for any posterity's sake, I'd rather just put this. Yeah, I'd rather just put this here. Why? Because price has reacted around the area here, here, here. All right, but like I said, this is the weekly. We're not taking final placement over there. So let's head to the daily. So on the daily, oh, I thought I removed this. Okay. So on the daily, as you can see, we are bearish. Okay. You can see lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, and lower high. Okay. So I am hoping this would be a higher low. I am hoping that this will be a higher low. But I mean, you can only do yours and hope that the market obeys. Okay, so let me just trend line over here. Good, nice and pretty. Remember, I always draw mine at the week. So if you've gotten this far, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay, and hit the like button so at least more people who are interested in learning how to do market analysis can come across this video and also learn. So I'm on the daily. Okay, so I'm not going to move this. I'm not going to move this. I won't move that. I'll leave it there. Okay, I'll leave it there because as you can see, that is where this market was sitting on. All right, so if the market wants to continue its bearish move, then it knows what to do. It must come and clear to its downside. So until then, we are waiting. So we're done with the daily. On 4 hour, so this is where I am looking out for. Just look at where I drew the zones at. Just look at where the zones are. As you can see, price reacted, price is reacted and is sitting pretty, not broken. Okay, so that's the power of top-down analysis. All right, so now if you look at this, you see that price is within this range. You see that price is within this range, this lower highs. All right, price has not broken. So I'm actually more interested in this one than step, although I'm paying attention to both of them. Anyone that gives me a better opportunity, fine. So I'm not really a fan of what they call it, trend lines. But as you can see, market broke above the trend line. I am not interested in taking any trade. I want for it to show me bullish. I would rather wait on a 4 hour time frame. I'll wait for price to break above, clear this, and retest. Then take me to this area. That is when I'll be interested. But until then, I am not interested one bit. But if price wants to continue, knowing full well that this is a very valid support area, I'll wait for price to break below, retest, then I'll take the sell. My first take profit will be here. All right, my first take profit will be here. And if you look at this area, you can see that it's a confluence, trend line confluence. Okay, so you can see trend line confluence with the support level confluence. All right, so that will really make the trade juicy. So let's see what we have on 1 hour. Let's see what we have on 1 hour, shall we? All right, so on the 1 hour, it's bullish. On the 1 hour, it's bullish because we broke above this low, but this is a higher time frame high which trumps this. Okay, so still I'm not going to take any trade, and I don't intend to take any trade right now. I'm just going to be sitting on my hands. But for people that want to scalp, if you want to, you can take it. You can wait for price to break and retest, and you can take a sell trade towards this area or this area, because that is where price reacted to. So you can decide to do that. That's totally up to you. Okay, so we'll go into 15 minutes. Well, on 15 minutes, I'm seeing a double top. So a potential double top. Let me not put it. A potential double top. As you can see the trend line. So basically, for people who would want to scalp, you can decide to wait for price to clear, who knows, this retest and go down. But I'm not that kind of person. I don't scalp, sorry. So yeah, so that's it on that. So starting from the monthly, once again, it is in a range. Weekly, for me, it is bearish. Okay, it is bearish. Then daily, it is also bearish, but a potential with the word potential weekly pullback. Yes, because like they say, for every impulsive move there must be a corrective move. So this could be the impulsive move, then this could be the corrective move before going back down again up to here. So I'm sitting on my hands. Then on the daily, okay, daily bearish with potential looking out for high. Then on the 4 hour, on the 4 hour, we are still bearish. We are still bearish. Why? Because price has not broken here. For all we know, price could do this, make it a double top, pull back, retest, and fall, and the bearish continues. Right? It could do that, but for me to take it serious, I would like to see it pull well above, then close and move. Then I would take it more serious as a reversal or a pullback. Okay. Then 1 hour, same thing. We're still looking bullish. We're still looking very much bullish. But I would love to see price clear. But if it wants to go bearish, it could come down, clear, boom, and go back. All right, so that's on that. So thank you very much. That's analysis I have. Thank you very much for coming. Please kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell, so when I post more videos, you will see. And yeah, you can follow me on Instagram, Cube1Trader. That's figure 1 trader. All right, so thank you and see you.